How are you all? I am Nisha, teacher from Ashwamek Vidyalaya. We have seen many videos of other subject. Today we are going to see a video of computer subject, and we have started chapter number 2, service of Google, in our school when we were coming regularly in the school, and we have completed till YouTube, right? We have discussed many other things in our class, right? And we have also discussed the further thing also, but let us study from Google Maps. Map, everyone has used map, right? Yes, for going to any place we search in our Google Map that which route is easy, which route will take us to that place in a short time, or where we will get the traffic more and where we will get the traffic less. Many things we search, and we can also share our location, right? We use it to share our location, that we are at this place and you have to come at this place, or you have to go to that place, right? And we can find many other places like hotels and buses and everything, right? So let us see and read what is in our book. Map is a location based service provided by Google. Yes, map is a location based service provided by Google. Initially it was known as a Google Local. And when we zoom it, we can see that here is a place, here is a hotel, or here is a school, here is our something, means everything we can see, right? The service of Google Map is provided by collecting images from satellite, other data from some organization and from the users. Yes, for example, when we open this map, in first time we have to feed our data also, right? And some like petrol pump, hotels are also been registered, and they are also done the landmarking in this, right? So that we can get our route easily. Users can also add details in the map. Yes, if we are opening a new shop or new thing, then we can also add it in our map. Users can inform about any changes or modification in the map. Yes, we can also inform the Google that we have changed this thing, or we have replaced this shop to this place, right? Users can upload photograph and related information in the Google Maps. Yes, this thing also we can do. The users of Google Map can upload photograph of any places and its information. Google Maps provides map view and a satellite view. In GPS, global positioning system tells us about a place and also the distance between two places. Yes, as I have told you before, it shows us the way to given destination, such as at school, college, bank, hospital, cinema, hotel, ATM, petrol pump, etc. It helps us to know about the way to place, time required to reach that place, and the traffic situation on the way. Nowadays, the Google Map application is used a lot in the mobile phones. It uses the service of Google Maps. The link maps.google.com can be used. Yes, as we discussed, that we can, suppose we have gone to Goa and we want to go to some places like any beach, then we will decide a destination. Suppose we have we are going Goa by a road, then what we will do, we will choose our hotel and we will give a destination in our Google Map, and the Google Map will show that how we can go through Bombay, Pune, and then, right? Google Translate. Yes, Google Translate. A translate is a service of Google to translate the information available in one language to another language. It can be used in a computer as well as in mobile. It can be used both online and offline. Generally, the text to be translated is typed, recorded taken from a photograph can be scanned or written. It allows to translate the text in more than 100 languages. To use the service Google Translate, the link translate.google.com can be used. Yes, this is a one type of translation you can also use. Suppose you are not getting anything, or you are not getting understanding what is the meaning of this page, then you can easily click it, and you can click in a Google Translate, and you can easily see what is the difference between this, and you can easily understand it, right? Google Chrome. We have already used Google Chrome. It is for surfing and many other things. Let us see. We already have used. So we don't need to be more pressurized about this things, right? Google Chrome is a web browsing service. Google Chrome is popular web browser. Google Chrome web browser is used for surfing on internet. Google Chrome was started in 2008. It is a web browser developed on Google platform. It has its own identification. It provides plugin of various kind of services. It is very popular web browser. It is faster, easy and safe for web browser. To use the Google service, we have to www.google.co.in Chrome can be used. Yes. So we all have done it. We can search anything, or suppose some link are being sent to you and you have to open, right? Then you have to choose that which US browser or Chrome or any other this type of thing. Then we will choose Google Chrome and we will open and use it. Google Android. Android is a Google mobile based operating system. Android is world's one of the most popular mobile and a tablet based operating system. The most important characteristics of Android is the regular upgradation done in it. Yes, it is a Google Android. That what it is doing, it is updating our mobile regularly and other many things. Its updated version is released regularly, in which changes are made as required. It is available in free charges. Its various versions are named following sequence in English alphabet, and the names are based on the sweet dishes. Yes, उनके जो न्यू वर्जन होते हैं वो अलग अलग अल्फ़ाबेट से या फिर अलग अलग चीज़ों से उन लोग लॉन्च करते हैं. द फर्स्ट वर्जन ऑफ द नेम एज अल्फ़ा एंड्रॉयड 1 and बीटा एंड्रॉयड 2. After that, all the versions were named as per the letters of English alphabet. On 30 April 2009, the first version of Android, Cupcake, was released. After the donut, oh wow, eclair, Frono, gingerbread, honeycomb, ice cream sandwich, jelly bean, Kit Kat, lollipop, marshmallow, nougat, Oreo pie, etc. are released till now. Yes, these all are being released till now. The Android is user-friendly and allows the users to modify it as per the requirement. Programmers can also develop application as per the user's need. Yes, the who is a programmer can also change in it. A wide range of Android-based mobile tabs are available in the market, which are affordable to every user. Many applications and games are available under different categories on Google Play Store. To use Google Android service, you can visit link www.android.com. Google Play. In this we play about the music. Yes, what we do, we play about the music. And what we will search a music, and then we will play it in our library, and we can save also. So, Play is a Google mobile application library based service. It is an Android based application Play Store. Programs which are useful to perform various tasks in a mobile are called application and apps in a short. Apps necessary for Android mobile are available in it. Some of the apps are available in the phones by default. Other apps can be downloaded from the Google Play as per the requirement. Yes, we have to download some application. Suppose we want to download WhatsApp, or suppose we want to download some other game application, then we will do it from it. A number of apps are available under different categories such as software, games, movies, books, etc. A Google Play Store A Google Play Store of a large number of apps are available free of charges, while some needs to be purchased. The open source file download from Android Play Store are called APK, Android Application Package. To use the Play service of Google, the link play.google.com can be visited. Yes. And nowadays it is been also that Google Store or Google Play, right? We have to find the apps here and we can save them. Google Drive. What this Google Drive is doing? Let's see. Drive is a Google service to save the document online. It is considered as the safest place to store data. Mobile, tablet, computer data can be saved in a Google Drive. The data saved on a Google Drive can be accessed, searched, edited, kept safe and shared. The data on the Google Drive can be accessed from any corner of the world at percent storage of 5 GB is provided free of charge by the Google Drive. To use the Drive service in a Google, the link drive.google.com we can also visit. Yes, what does it do? It stores our data. Yes. Google Docs. In these docs, there are the various applications used, like they support. If, for example, sometimes a word, we are sending a PDF of PDF only, but when we send a PDF of word in a document, then it will not open in your mobile, right? A doc is a Google service that allows to prepare document online. Document spreadsheet presentation can be prepared online with the help of this app. This service includes doc sheets and slides. These documents are saved online. These documents can be used from anywhere in the world. To use this, we have to do the link, open the link, docs.google.com. Yes. Google Photos. It also saves our photos. Photo is a Google service to save photograph online. It allows to save a large number of photographs. It provides features such as huge storage capacity, visual service, advanced editing, smart automatic albums, etc. If the photographs are saved on a Google server, then they can easily be accessed even if they can be deleted from the computer or a mobile. To use the photo services of Google, we can use photo.google.com can be visited. Other services of Google. Following are some of the other services provided by the Google. Books. To read books online either free of charge or by purchasing. Blogger, a free publisher platform. Blogger, a free publishing platform where blogs can be uploaded. Calendar, an online calendar to save a contacts, to save information such as user's name, address, email, etc. online. Earth, to watch different parts of the earth and some services in 3D forms. Forms, to upload the user's information online and to save it. Google Fonts, to use various fonts. Google Plus, a social networking site to share text, photograph, videos, etc. Keep, to save a list, thought, text, web page, images, etc. Music, a list to listen to music online. News, to watch world news online. Weather, to get news from the online. To get information about Google's various products, the link http://goo.gl by URI can be visited. See, we can see here many others websites. So kids, we will continue in our next lecture. Till that time, stay home, stay safe and do your work regularly and try to solve these exercises by your own. Thank you.